Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you the connection with a speaker to my ITV box. As I show in the unboxing video, this ITV box it have the audio connection. So now we try to connect with that audio port to my speaker, and let's see is it workable or not. Okay, so now let's begin. So the audio connection is located next to the HDMI cable, so you can see on the screen here. Okay, now we let play one video. For example, I search for the free music, and we need to turn volume down first. Play one video. Okay, I think volume is come from the TV. Okay, now I found out the problem because the power supply to the speaker is disconnect. And now let's play once again. Okay, and now the music is come from direct with the speaker. So when you just plug the audio to the audio port, it will swap to the speaker audio. Okay, now I try to just disconnect when the music still playing, and let's see if get back to the speaker of the TV or not. Okay, so now it's silent. I take out the audio. Okay, when I turn the music up, it will get back to play on the TV. And now when it's just playing on the TV, I try to input back the speaker. Okay, and it's workable direct to the speaker. I think last time because the TV is less noise than the speaker, so when we swap to the TV, we need to turn up the volume more to hear the music from the TV. And that is all for today's video of how you can connect the speaker to your ITV box. And thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.